Hello my dear traders, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to trade on Pocket Option platform and I will start with $540 on my deposit, and my goal for today to increase this amount by 100 times. So it's going to be very exciting and let's see what will happen at the end of this video. And today I plan to work on standard trading setups. These are uptrends, downtrends, support and resistance levels and other patterns on the market. Let's not waste time and get started. So guys, I already see the first entry point and I will explain it to you. Okay, let's draw a horizontal line at the lower value of these candles. We will define the support level here. We can see that there is a continued downtrend. The price is moving down quite confidently and is approaching our level. However, there's still space for the support level. So in this case, it's just opening 1 minute deal to sell on a downtrend. Guys, the price has an excellent potential to decline and is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. This is the movement that we will try to profit from, and since the price has been moving quite confidently recently, I believe that 1 minute will be enough for us. So guys, as you can see, a new impulsive red candle has just formed, and so let's wait for the end of our deal. Join my private channel for free trading signals. Well, my dear traders, that's amazing because the price continued to move down. The support level was broken. Here we got profit. So I think it's a great start. We managed to earn on our first deal, and that's how we are going to trade today. So guys, let's continue and find another entry point. So guys, we have a resistance level at the top here. We can see that there was a downward rollback after the first touch of the level. After the rollback, the price turned around. At the moment, green candles are forming. The price is approaching this level, and guys, at the same time, we can also see that the overall price potential is going up. So the main price lows are also getting higher, and in this situation, I suggest to open a deal for 4 minutes to go up on the uptrend. It is more likely that the price will continue to move towards the level. It is on this upward movement that we will try to make profit. And at the same time, guys, I chose such time in case we will have consolidation or a downward rollback. I think this time will be enough for us. And so let's wait for the end of our deal. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Guys, it's not bad at all. The price continued to move to the level and we got the profit here. At the same time, 4 minutes were enough for us. And also, guys, we see that there is still room before the resistance level. And this means that with a greater probability in the near future, the price will continue to move to the level. So the next deal we are going to open here, of course, again, to buy on the uptrend. So guys, let's go with you for $1,900. Only this time I will open a deal for 2 minutes. As you can see, there's a very little space left before the resistance level. I believe that this time will be sufficient in this situation, and so my dear traders, let's wait for the outcome. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. So guys, that's great. The price really continued to move towards the level and we got the profit. 2 minutes was just enough for us. We were able to correctly predict the further price movement. And as you can see, guys, such trading situations worked out perfectly. And so, my dear traders, let's continue our trading session. So we have a resistance level at the top, and let's draw a horizontal line based on the upper values of these candles. We can also see that the price is currently moving upward and approaching our level. There is also a small amount of space left before reaching the resistance level, and I suggest to open 2-minute deal to buy on the uptrend. The price is likely to continue its upward movement, and let's try to profit from this uptrend. Guys, we can also see that the overall price potential is increasing and the main price lows are getting higher. It is possible that the level will be broken, and I hope that 2 minutes will be enough in this situation, even if there is a possibility of a consolidation or a downward pullback. And so guys, we can see that the price has a good potential for growth recently. So my dear traders, that's quite good, and the upward movement continued. We got the profit here. Also, this level was broken. We correctly managed to predict the further movement of the price, and at the same time 2 minutes were quite enough. Guys, the price here has a really good potential for an increase and everything is going great. Let's continue, guys. So here at the bottom we have a support level. At the same time we see that there was a good confident downtrend here, and the price approached this level and moved in a certain range. Guys, we see that the price has already touched this level several times. At the same time, the main price highs became lower and mostly the price still moves down. Now we will watch the price a little, and if the near future the price continues to move towards the level and also begins to go beyond it, then only at this moment we will open a deal to sell on breaking through the support level. And so guys, let's wait for the outcome. Guys, the impulsive red candle went beyond the level. Here we'll open a deal literally for 1 minute to go down. Guys, I think that in the near future this level will be broken. It is on this downward movement that we will try to make money. As a rule, in such situation 1 minute is quite enough. And guys, we just got into the very impulsive moment of the price down, the very moment of breaking through the level. I hope that 1 minute will be quite enough for us here. And so my dear traders, let's wait for the result. So guys, it's excellent because guys, as you can see, the price continued its confident downward movement. Indeed, the support level was broken and we were able to make money on this movement. Indeed, in most cases, such trading situations work out perfectly. And guys, I suggest that we continue our trading and look for some other working moments on the market. So here at the bottom we have a support level. Also we see that from this level there was a rollback upwards. And here after the rollback the price turned around at the moment. Red candles are being formed. So guys, in this case I suggest to open a deal literally for 2 minutes to sell on the downtrend. According to the downtrend, the price has a good potential to go down. The main price highs became lower. It is likely that the price will continue to move towards the level, and it is also possible that it will be broken because the price here has also had a great downward potential lately. It is on this downward movement that we will now to try to make money. Guys, it's time to wait for the result. So guys, the price continued to move down and we got the profit. It's amazing. 2 minutes was just enough for us. The price really has a great potential to go down. Well, everything is going well, guys. Let's continue our trading session and look for other situations. So guys, in this case, I suggest that we immediately open 2 minute deal to buy. This is, guys, because we can see that there is a resistance level at the top. Additionally, we can see that the price has approached this level and has already surpassed it. This means that the level has been broken. Furthermore, we can see that the price has an excellent potential to go up. And this suggests that the price is likely to continue its uptrend in the near future. It is on this upward movement that we will try to profit from, and I hope that 2 minutes will also be enough for us in this case, even take into account possible consolidation or rollback down. And so guys, let's wait for the outcome. Rather dangerous moment, but still we got the profit here. And as you can see, indeed, after breaking through the level there was a rollback down, but the closing point of our deal turned out to be higher than the opening point. At the same time, we also see that the uptrend continues to exist, and I suggest the next deal to open here, guys. We will enter with you again for 2 minutes to buy on the uptrend. Guys, surely after the rollback down the price will continue to move upwards. At the moment of opening a deal, an impulsive green candlestick has already formed. It is on this uptrend, on the upward movement, that we will try to make money again. So right now we can see that confident impulsive green candles are still forming. And so guys, I hope the 2 minutes will be enough for us in this situation. And so let's wait for the result. So guys, what can I say here? Because just look at my balance. Okay, we have correctly managed to predict the further movement of the chart. And guys, meanwhile, I already have more than $57,000 on the deposit. This means that I had completed the task set for today. So my dear traders, today I was able to increase our initial deposit more than 100 times. So I achieved my trading goal and I'm totally satisfied. Guys, as you can see, all the situations worked out perfectly. You probably noticed that some of them looked quite similar, and this is our reality because everything repeats themselves on the market again and again. Keep an eye on these patterns, learn how to spot them and use them to your advantage. The more you trade and practice, the more experience you will gain, and over time you will definitely start seeing consistent results. So never give up. Stay focused on your goal and success will definitely come your way. Guys, I have a closed community where I share my trading signals and they are totally for free. So if you want to get them, what you should do is just text me a code word signal on my Telegram, and in case all the links will be down below in the description box. Also, my dear traders, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. Also, subscribe to this channel because I always trying my best to deliver a great strategies and to work on my content. So every time it will be more interesting and more useful for you. And so, my dear traders, I think this is the time when we have to say bye-bye to each other. But we will see each other very soon in another video. Bye-bye.